Hi guys, it's me, Ellen. Welcome to my channel, and I want to try something. So, I got this little point perk from Glow Recipe, and I was getting it for the little sleeping mask in there, but I don't want to try that today. Today, I want to try the Blueberry Bounce Dental Cleanser. It's supposed to take off makeup, and I want to know what that feels like, because I like to take my makeup off day to day with a makeup eraser, but I leave different cleansers that take off makeup at my boyfriend's house, so I don't have to bring stuff back and forth, and I just have something over there to take my makeup off that I don't have to worry about bringing with me. So I'm getting low on that one. I'd like to look at some other makeup removing cleansers, and I have a full face of makeup on, so I'm gonna see if it takes it off. So yeah, I believe it also doubles as a mask, which we might try that later. But I'm just gonna go wash my face with it and report back. So I'm back. Ignore the redness. I poked at some clogged pores because sometimes I can't help myself. But yeah, it took off all my makeup really well. It didn't irritate my eyes, which is good. There's a little slip with the instructions that I left in here, so I just rubbed it onto my face. I have a little brush that I used to kind of like get into all my pores, make sure everything's out of my pores, and rinse it off. It smelled really good. My face feels smooth, although, you know, red in the places I poked it, but overall nice, soft. I'll check back in tomorrow morning to see if it did anything negative to my skin. It is the next morning. So, I don't have any breakouts, which means that, in theory, that cleanser took all the makeup out of my pores, which is good. If something doesn't get all the makeup off my face, generally I'll find like 1 or 2 new zits, just because something was clogged in there overnight and my skin didn't like it. But yeah, my skin looks the way it normally looks in the morning. Slightly darker around my mustache. So yeah, that is now a contender for things I might buy to leave at my boyfriend's house to take my makeup off. Also, it smelled really nice, so there's that. I do want to try it later as a mask, but I don't know when I'm gonna do that. Sorry. I know the testing the face masks was a fun thing, but I feel like they're really weird to film, because I almost always film in the morning or afternoon, not like at night, which is when I do face masks, so we'll try and fit that in. I will attempt it. Let me know if you're interested in seeing that. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.